Wild. The sharks are crazy out here.
So today is Friday. I apologize if my voice is a little weird. I'm currently losing my voice from yesterday when we were having a Mod Day celebration, and I was teaching everyone how to do a foul move, which is a Samoan cheer, and I'll put the video after this. And then over here, boom. Drop, boom. And it just sounds something like this. But anyways, it is Friday, like I said, and we're going to head to an outer island called Callan, and we're going to spend the Sabbath there and just relax and get ready for the new week and all that good stuff. So come along with me as I do vlog 4. Vlog 4. Hope you enjoy.
We didn't buy a shot.
Thumbnail. Wild.